Remedies presents.
Spray this under your feet 10 minutes before bed. Watch what happens. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a very calming and relaxing remedy with the help of which you will be able to drift into sleep land in no time. It is best for people suffering from sleep deprivation and insomnia. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Before I begin with the video, let me ask you, when was the last time you have got a proper night's sleep? Do you even remember? What is a proper night's sleep? Getting proper rest overnight is very important for your overall health. Sleeping relaxes your brain and prepares your body for the activities that await it while reducing the stress from the previous day. You must try to sleep those mandatory 8 hours during the night in order to function normally the next day. The inability to rest properly overnight can make you anxious and leave you unable to perform your daily activities, so you must solve the problem as soon as possible. Fortunately, today I have an amazing detox foot spray which will resolve your sleeping troubles completely. How does it work? The feet have the largest number of pores compared to other parts of the body, so they are extremely suitable for the absorption of the needed nutrients. The feet are linked to various organs of the body, so the stimulation of these points can have a miraculous effect on our health and well-being. So, this is how to prepare your homemade spray that will improve your sleep. Ingredients: 10 drops lavender essential oil, 10 drops chamomile essential oil. German chamomile essential oil is a better anti-inflammatory and Roman chamomile essential oil is more relaxing. 4 ounces of magnesium oil. A glass spray bottle. Instructions: put the essential oils in a spray bottle, then shake it well and it's ready. Spray some under your feet and massage it gently 10 minutes before going to bed, and you will be able to fall asleep fast. Health benefits of the ingredients. Lavender. Lavender is a great soothing herb which will relieve your sleeping troubles. You can put a few drops of the oil on your pillowcase before going to bed to get the same effect. Lavender essential oil shouldn't be applied on children as it is very potent. Chamomile. This calming herb has amazing relaxing qualities and it will also provide great help when it comes to sleep difficulties. Magnesium. I will tell you something. Magnesium oil is amazing for both internal and external use. Technically, it is not oil, but it is regarded thus due to its oily look and effect. It is extremely beneficial in the case of sleeplessness, anxiety, digestion issues, cramps. Particularly if you lack magnesium, the feet are the right place to apply this oil. It also helps with leg cramps.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.